Honorable Dr. Timothy Harris, Prime Minister of the Federation of St. Christopher and Nevis, Honorable Senator Vincent Byron, Attorney General and Minister of Justice and Legal Affairs, Honorable Senator Michael Perkins, Speaker of the House of Assembly, Your Honor, Reynold Benjamin, Your Honor, Mrs. Simone Bullen Thompson, Solicitor General, the Registrar and staff, Mr. Ian Quealy, Commissioner of Police, Mr. Hilroy Brandy, the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Assistant Commissioner of Police Merlene Hughes, Assistant Commissioner of Police Terrence James, Lieutenant Colonel Patrick Wallace, Commander of the Defense Force, Mr. Junie Hodge, Superintendent of Prison, Mr. Alton Liburd, Deputy Superintendent of Prison, Mr. Agaro, Fire Chief, members of the Inner Bar, members of the Outer Bar, all media houses, on behalf of all our Justices of Appeal, our High Court judges, we bid you a warm good morning. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you here this morning as we mark the occasion of the commencement of a second High Court facility which will improve judicial service in the Federation of St. Christopher and Nevis. Discussions for a fully operational second court started some time ago, and today we are witnessing the fulfillment of a commitment made by the executive in its efforts to provide facilities for the purpose of enabling the judiciary to fulfill its mandate for providing a system of justice that is fair, efficient, and accountable for all people. In my address at the commencement of this current law year, I spoke of the many constraints and other factors which impact either positively or adversely on access to justice. I made the point that access to justice also requires the provision of adequate facilities and personnel which will enhance the ability to more quickly undertake the hearing of criminal matters as well as civil matters. With the provision of this second court facility, the people of St. Christopher, in particular, will be able to enjoy year-round criminal sessions as well as year-round civil sessions, as both high courts will be operating in the same legal calendar. An additional judicial officer will shortly be assigned to conduct trials and other hearings in this new facility. Additionally, I am assured that all necessary staffing and court equipment are virtually in place. Thus, to all intents and purposes, this new additional court facility is ready for business, complete with all equipment for the use of modern technology, including hearings by video and teleconference. In every respect, it is intended to be a model modern court. I take this opportunity to recognize the government of St. Christopher and Nevis and the efforts they have made to make this commitment a reality. To my mind, it demonstrates a clear appreciation of the value and importance of a well-functioning judicial branch. A strong and vibrant judiciary forms the bedrock of our democracies and indeed our economies. I am constrained to make special mention of the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Vincent Byron, who has worked tirelessly in seemingly himself attending to every minute detail and for keeping fully abreast of the progress of works. We thank you, Honorable Attorney General. It is my hope that all the stakeholders, the public bar and the private bar, will all embrace this effort and make full use of this additional court. For it is only by so doing that the people will derive the real benefit of this measure. I am happy to see this step, and I firmly believe that it will make a positive impact on access to justice within the Federation. This in turn can only boost confidence in the judicial system as a whole. I pause here to mention that there are other steps which I have been made aware are underway for the registry to become truly functional as a court office, separate and apart from the registry of deeds and conveyances. These are welcome and positive steps that should lead to greater efficiency in both spheres. I also make reference to mediation, which is a part of the tools that the courts use for improving the efficiency within our courts, and to say that I am aware from research that we have lost some ground in the use of the mediation tool, and it is my hope that we will revitalize this very vital aspect. And in that vein, the Honorable Attorney General also has made indications that the plan is to have a fully functional mediation center. I recently indicated that it is no short view that one of the very powerful tools which is enshrined in our civil procedure rules is the idea that we must assist parties to settle their matters in a manner that is fair and just to both sides. And so the court will be making very much here in the Federation a push to regain that ground in respect of the mediation services afforded by the court. All these steps have my full support, and I look forward to continued collaboration as we continue to implement measures for greater efficiency and accountability, and in so doing, improve the quality of access to justice overall for the people of this Federation. I thank you.
Stay up to date with news, programs, and activities of the government with SKNIS. Like us on Facebook. Listen to us on SoundCloud. Follow us on Twitter. And watch our videos on YouTube. Connect with us today. SKNIS, St. Kitts and Nevis Information Service.